Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, July 29th, 2019. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, this morning we start off with a little bit more humidity in the atmosphere, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior with some areas of fog, and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, lower to mid 80s in your urban areas with scattered low clouds, but no real fog is being reported at this time, visibility of around 10 miles. So traffic shouldn't be impeded all that much, aside from the usual traffic jams you might see. As far as winds, they're pretty much from the southwest, around 5 miles per hour, so no significant winds. But one thing we will be keeping an eye on is this little trough right here. This is going to be instigator for this afternoon and for tomorrow afternoon, with the potential for some isolated thunderstorms. Look out towards the Poconos, northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley, parts of Connecticut, for these thunderstorms to develop, I'll say after about 2 p.m. and dropping south towards the coast as you head towards the evening. Key word here is isolated. Not a lot of thunderstorms, but one or two will have the potential to develop. You get a nice little cluster, much like yesterday afternoon, and they'll be able to dive south towards the region. For the most part, we're just looking at the potential for some heavier downpours and also some frequent lightning. Wind gusts likely will remain around 40 miles per hour, but there is that potential for an isolated severe thunderstorm, extremely isolated. It can't really be ruled out, but for the most part, these thunderstorms should remain relatively weak. So when we take a look at our satellite picture, just some low clouds here and there, but otherwise scattered cloud cover to clear skies are in place. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Watch out for that pesky thunderstorm. Other than that, look for scattered cloud cover with highs ranging from the lower to mid 80s on the immediate coast, mid 80s to lower 90s everywhere else. With a little bit more humidity, it's going to feel more like the lower to mid 90s over much of the region, so definitely be prepared for that. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, watch out for the potential for some locally dense fog, otherwise scattered cloud cover, lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, mid 70s in your urban areas. For tomorrow afternoon, again, a threat for an isolated thunderstorm, otherwise scattered cloud cover. Look for lows in the upper 60s to mid 70s, high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s on the immediate coast and upper 80s to mid 90s in everywhere else. Especially potential for mid 90s is going to be around the Philadelphia metropolitan area, where your heat index could push around 99, 100 degrees. So definitely have to keep an eye on that. On Wednesday, a strong cold front will be moving through the region with widespread showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon, let's say about 2 p.m. on through about 10 p.m. Some of these thunderstorms will have the potential of reaching severe levels, so definitely keep an eye on that. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. Lower to mid 80s the faster this cold front moves through over the northern interior. On Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're going to have that frontal boundary lingering off the coast, so you can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm, especially if this frontal boundary ends up a little bit closer to the coastline than what's currently forecasted. Other than that, we're going to be experiencing scattered cloud cover. Look for lows through the period to range from the mid-60s to lower 70s, and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-80s on the immediate coast, mid-80s to lower 90s everywhere else. And on Monday, a warm front will be lifting northward with the potential for some isolated to widely scattered thunderstorms. Look for lows in the upper 60s, highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.